Hello, hello, all of you beautiful faces. How are you guys doing today? Well, it's still Valentine's Day here, but I am going to show you another beauty box today, and that is the box by Fashionsta. I just can't even say the name without saying it like that in that accent. It's got to be Fashionsta because that's what it just reminds me of when the way it says it. This is what it looks like. Oh, it's coming undone. I haven't got busted into my box yet. Wow, it's loaded down with stuff, it looks like. Okay, wow. Okay, this is, it's like white embossed on a white box. This is, okay, it's really cool, but I hate it because my eyes cannot read that. It's like I feel like I'm, wow, CLE I think is what it is, and it looks like a multi-cream. But that print, oh, it's sealed. Oh, it's not sealed at the bottom though. Well, I seal one end, but not the other. Funny. That's what it looks like. The CLE multi-cream. Let's see if it comes with the safe to seal. It does. Yeah, I can smell it through the safety seal. It smells kind of almost not minty, but like, it smells like something important, like you get at the doctor's office or something, like kind of minty, fresh type of a thing. But I don't see any kind of card in here that tells about the stuff. So I don't know how much this is. I do remember, I think I had one when I opened it and I didn't want to open it up, but the card was on top. I think the box is a total of $139. I may be remembering that wrong though, but this is a pretty good item. I don't know anything about this company. I've never heard of them. But the next item is the City Limits by IBY Beauty. I'm not thrilled about getting this palette. Look, I love IBY. They are one of my absolute favorite eyeshadow brands. Their stuff is banging. It is the bomb. They have an amazing formula. It lasts. I already own this palette because this palette came in a box over a year and a half ago. So I know she's just starting out, but most of us who've been doing beauty boxes for a while have already gotten this palette. But let me tell you, this is one of my favorites because the colors in this are spectacular. Spectacular. This blue navy, it's more of a navy than it's coming across, at least on my screen, is gorgeous. And this forest green next to it is just, I mean, this is a gorgeous palette. It's got a burgundy, a cinnamon. I mean, this is like a everything look. This is, I think these palettes are $20. They do have a palette out right now that I want so bad, but I just can't do it because I just won't do it because I just have so much makeup that I just can't wear. I cannot keep doing it. I will not keep doing it. And I do not make any money on my channel right now, so I am not going to keep buying thousands of dollars worth of makeup to do a YouTube channel. There's just too much competition in that area, and it's just not worth it from what my family's needs are right now and what we're dealing with. But do I think this is an amazing thing to get in a box? You bet your sweet britches I do. Like, this in the box alone is so worth the price of the box. I'm not kidding. This is a deal. A deal. The City Limits palette. I'm not kidding. Amazing. Now this is a, wow, my eyes today. Kaolian Pore Original Pack. It's Pore Ritual Blackhead Steam Pore Pack and then a Pore Ritual Pore Pack. I don't know if there's two different things that's sealed up, but there's dirt all over this. And look, I thought something broke, but that is actual dirt. So it looks like my box fell out of a package when she got it and rolled around in the dirt, and they just picked it up and put it in my box. Not cool, honestly. I'm serious that it looks like this rolled in my dirt in my yard and then was put in my box. Kind of gross. But whatever, as my husband does. He does the like this. He goes whatever, and me and Savannah go whatever, because it's like a V. It ain't a whatever. But this is Lucci Metalit 4-in-1 Radiance Face Gel. It's a teeny tiny little thing, but not a bad, I don't think a bad item to get. I can't get it open because my fingertips are really sore right now. But there's dirt all over this thing as well. Is that it? Oh, no, 2 more things. Wow. I'm all, is that all? Oh, Bang Beauty. I can't tell if it's a gloss or a lippy, so let's just open it up and see. Oh, it's one of these. Okay, let me tell you, I love this formula, love it, but I will never use this, and let me show you why. Like, you can push this as hard as you can and it comes right off. I got one of these in Ipsy before, and I put it in my purse and the lid just fell off within the first 5 minutes of having it, and it lipsticked all over the inner pocket of my very expensive handbag, and I was so unhappy. And lipstick is impossible to get out of handbags. If you know a trick, let me know, because I still haven't gotten it out to this day. And for that reason, I think these suck. I think Bang Beauty, these are why these are in the boxes, because no one will buy them because the lid comes off in seconds. They need to have a little snap thingy that causes this to lock on. So beware. I'm telling you this. This is an amazing formula, but I will never ever put it in my handbag because of that purpose. I would leave it only standing up here on my beauty table. And the last thing is a Girl Lactic Precise Eyeliner. You guys know how I feel about black eyeliners. I still have not gotten to the point where I have tried it out. This does not even have like any kind of packaging, which kind of bums me out a little. There's no safety seal or anything on these, which is kind of weird, because most eyeliners come with some kind of seal on it. This is black, but you guys know what I'll do with that. So, but do I think that this is a good box? I absolutely do. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items. Wow. Really amazing. If I didn't have this palette, I would be so stoked to get it, because IBY is the bomb, you guys. I'm not kidding. If someone wants to trade me the IBY palette too, let me know in the comments down below. Black eyeliner, anything in the box, let me know. I will absolutely trade you. But I love you guys. I hope you're having an amazing day. And when this video goes up, it will be Saturday. So I hope you guys have an amazing weekend, and I love you all. Bye.